Good morning students. Today we discuss history lesson, second paper, 13th lesson. This is what are the identities, the World War, what are the world between the wars, what are the wars are occurred in between 1900 to 1950. Two world wars are occurred. First World War One, World War Two, and World War One and World War Two are occurred in 1900 to 1950. These were great changes in human history. From this, before going to that, what are the situations are occurred in 19th century to 1950 in the world? At the beginning of the 20th century, meaning this period 1900 to 1919 is called 20th century. This 20th century, the population of the world just 1.6 billion. Today, more than that. So, the industrial capitalism has changed the many people earned their livelihood, but only the Western countries. What are the most part of changes in human history? That is the industrial revolution. Where it is occurred? In European countries. In the European countries, mostly Western part countries, the industrial sectors, a great changes the lifestyles of humans. Middle class are emerged, and capitalism systems are spreading in the Western Union. And also, what are the facilities in the human life? Living in a luxuries or occurred due to the lot of changes. Some of these countries, especially Britain, where the leading industries power so had the vast colonial empires spread over all the world. Worldwide, most of the colonies having country is Britain. This is known as called a sun never set country. Sun never set country is Britain. Why? Because wherever they go in the world, in the globe, we can observe the east, west, north, south. All sides Britain colonies are there. That's why the title is given like that. So, however, these situations, some of these countries, especially Britain, has leading power in the industrial sector. It has gained a lot of benefits from the colonies. So, the world divided into West, which was experiencing economic growth of the rest, those were actually backward. The worst by the colonial, exploited by the West. So, before 20th century, the world has divided into two types. One is the industrial sectors, another one part is not industrial sector. That's they are backward. They are looted all the wealth sources, natural sources by the Western Europe countries. Henrik Ibsen is a great historical person of the history. In the 20th century is called the age of extremes. 20th century is called age of extremes. He occurred this statement. Why it is called great of extremes? Because a lot of inventions, which one is the human life became the luxurious life. They are invented in this situation. What are they? You can see here. The world saw the source of the democratic aspirations grow amidst the rise of fascinate domination, which was the fostered ideology of the unquestioned power and hatred of the other people. Fascism and Nazism. These two isms are given to a lot of experience the human life. They spread this ideology, they respected and they loved themselves, and at the same time they hated other races peoples. They thought they are the God blessed and they are the have the rule, have the right, born by the birthright to rule the worldwide. This type of ideology is fascism, and from the Nazism is spreading. Literacy level of the average life of experience grew immensely for all. The new form of art likes moves emerged. Scientific knowledge rose a new height, unlocking the secreting atom of life. Until then, no one not known about the structure of the atoms. But in the 19th century, starting onwards, ending of the 19th century, in the 20th century, they have experimented nuclear power energies. That is from atom's life. Where the atom structures are there, which one gives the most weaponization. lethal weaponizations are preparing. Through this weaponization, they are start to make to warning the weakened countries and make to fear creating of the fear in other people's minds, in other countries' mind. If they are not listening, they are blackmailed through the shows to the nuclear power energies. This type of situations from those days are there. At the same time, women who are the consistent half of the world population, they got their right for the vote in the period. And starting with the West, the literally people more than 100 of nations walked the independence, freedom across the world. At the same time, by the ending of the 20th century, most countries are come to the independence nations. The colonists turned as independence. That's why these independence countries has made to a great competition to give into the already which one is the European countries are developed. So these situations we can observe. This is the also an age of great experiments. People strove build the Soviet socialist based on the principles of the equality, fraternity, or alternately liberally democracy based on the political liberty and capitalist economic. Another side, socialism is spreading. This socialism, what is saying? All the wealth belongs to the people, that is the nation. Spread all the assets to equal to the all common people. This type of different ideology also spread, and also, but the same period, the Great Depression is causing massive unemployment and economical breakdown, the two world wars, which million of people died, and the lives of more million people are desolated. At the same time, Great Depression has occurred when it is 1929 to 39 years. This decade, Great Depression has occurred, a great changes happened in the human life. Okay, tomorrow remaining part I will explain. Thank you.